Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In just 1 minute, I am going to teach you how to create unlimited text-to-speech voices from ChatGPT. Without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open ChatGPT and give a prompt to create some text. After give a prompt, ChatGPT will create a short description for you and click on read aloud.
AI text to speech (TTS) technology converts written text into natural sounding speech using a
Okay, now click on your profile. Now click on setting, then click on speech. From here, you can choose multiple and different kind of voices. For example,
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go. Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you and
okay, now open google.com and also open Adobe Podcast. Adobe Podcast is enhancing our audio quality. Now in Google, search Chrome Store and search Chrome Audio Capture. Install first one. I have already installed this Chrome extension. Now click on Chrome extensions and click Chrome Audio Capture and then start capturing. Now click on speech.
AI text to speech (TTS) technology converts written text into natural sounding speech using advanced machine learning algorithms. It enables users to listen to written content in a variety of voices and languages, enhancing accessibility and user experience. Ideal for creating audio versions of articles, books, or tutorials, AI TTS is widely used in applications such as virtual assistants, e-learning platforms, and content creation tools.
Okay. Now click again and save capture. Chrome Audio Capture will create an audio file for you. Now download file as custom name. Okay. Open this folder and check the voice.
AI text-to-speech (TTS) technology converts written.
Okay, now we are going to enhance this audio file. Open Adobe Podcast and go to Enhance Speech. Choose a file. Okay, after enhancing, your audio is ready. Now play your audio.
AI text-to-speech (TTS) technology converts written text into natural-sounding speech using advanced.
You can play your audio and download your file as well. Click on download. That's all. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for our next video. Thanks for watching.